Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I will show you Gears of War Judgement, an Xbox 360 title that has been enhanced for Xbox Series consoles a while ago. So today I wanted to give it a try and check how this game holds up in today's standards, right? So without any further ado, let's give it a try. Now Judgement is a prequel to the original trilogy, so Gears 1, 2 and 3, and was made by People Can Fly, so a Polish studio, and they changed Gears a little bit. They made it more action-packed and that kind of stuff. I guess like it just felt different, and yeah, I mean the gameplay is a little bit different, but I wouldn't really say it's bad. Unfortunately, a lot of people didn't like it, so yeah, so this particular game seems to be let's play on normal. Seems to be considered one of the worst Gears of War games. So some people say that Gears 4 wasn't really that great. Some people think that Judgement was even worse, right? So, but hey, I mean the game looks or at least looked great, at least for its times, and now it got enhanced for series consoles. Not sure about Xbox One and One X. I don't think it has any enhancements there. But these enhancements are FPS enhancements. So the game originally ran at 30 frames per second. Yeah, it was locked and stuff, but yeah, that was Xbox 360 standard. And this time around, well, it's actually 60, which makes a huge difference. And of course, you know, playing the game at 720p is not the best way to go about it, but yeah, actually, you know, graphics wise, you know, considering that this is an Xbox 360 title, but then it actually looks pretty good.
How exactly did things go wrong?
Obviously this is 720p, so there's quite a lot of shimmering and stuff, but you know what, for a 720p title, this game looks pretty clean anyway. I can tell, I will tell you that. So not sure what's going on here. Obviously this is a prequel, so we will see the events before what happened in the
Whatever
trilogy.
it was, it looked like it was headed right for our convoy. Only Paddock knew what he was looking at, but he didn't say anything. Not yet.
Yeah, considering this is an Xbox 360 title, I must say that like I'm quite impressed with the graphics, and there's no graphics enhancements. You're actually looking at the title the way it used to look. Like there's no enhancements at all. Although I'm not sure if Series S and X actually, yeah, I think the new consoles actually applies better anisotropic filtering, meaning that the actual texture filtering is a bit better, right? So, so that may actually make that game to look a little bit better. You know, actually, I'm kind of curious because I've got Xbox 360 still, so I may actually start this game, fire up this game just to kind of compare. But except these small tricks, and
So you say,
we may be getting a little bit of a better upscaler, because you know Xbox 360, that was like 720p output when it comes to, you know, graphics resolution, but we're still getting 720p. But these consoles, when they are connected like 4K TVs, they actually upscale the image, so they may make that game a little bit better. I mean, to look better, not better the game.
throwing frag.
By the way, there was the sort of like a point system where, you know, like they were the game would is rating your kind of style. I'm not really sure what you get in return for that, but yeah. You know what? That game actually looks pretty good. Like, obviously, except the resolution, which, like, there's quite a lot of shimmering and stuff, right? But I'm actually impressed. Like, this is a 2-decade-old game.
We went as
almost.
fast as we could, sir. There was no
And
saving that convoy.
it actually looks better than. I mean, give this game a little bit higher resolution, and it
I
would
heard other
actually
units
hold
talk about the
pretty
glowing
well.
wretches, but I thought that was just soldiers telling stories. Turns out
Imagine
it's
that.
not.
It's a shame that this game never received any resolution boost.
Our old convoy.
Because like Gears
has been
1,
wiped out
2 and
in
3,
minutes.
I think they all
Never seen
did
anything like it.
got that. I mean, Gears 1, Gears of War, the original, actually got a remaster, a remake, like totally new engine and stuff. The game is still the same, but just better.
Snipers!
Bring it on!
What is going on, everyone? You want some, you get some. Go away.
Coming up!
Oh shit.
Oh, great! That's great! One flag!
Come on, wherever you are.
When those wretches died, they exploded like they'd been drinking out of a fuel tank. I hoped we wouldn't be seeing them again anytime soon.
Okay, one big change is how you
Colonel
equip
Loomis,
your
this is
weapons.
Lieutenant Baird. Big problem, sir. Our convoy just got destroyed.
Then move on to the Museum of Military Glory. It's under attack.
Sir, whatever destroyed our convoy still out
Yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah, shut up.
Noted, Lieutenant.
Yes, sir.
Because,
Come on, Kilo. You heard the man. I heard him.
okay, in this game, you press the Y button, and that switches your weapons, and then you press the left shoulder button, so LB, sorry, and that throws the grenade. Where in the original games you would have all the weapons, even grenades, under the same trigger, but you would just select them, I think, with a D-pad, if I remember correctly. So that's the only change, really. So I guess I will have to get used to it. So what does it mean? I know there's some collectibles and like these necklaces or pentiments, I think it's called, I don't know. Yeah, you do these kind of weird missions and like but get statistics. Yeah, it is a bit different. Like, it doesn't make the game worse, I guess. It just feels a bit different. I guess a bit more arcade-ish, I guess.
I thought maybe we could slip through unnoticed.
I mean, shooting still feels good and stuff. It's good old
Yeah, nice.
Gears, I would say. It's just same but different.
Of a wine cellar?
I know it makes no sense, but
man gotta spend his money on something.
yeah, the cover system is actually pretty much the same. No change there. Oh, another thing is that see, I can only have like 2 weapons, while in Gears 1, 2, and 3, I mean pretty much every Gears, you can have like 3 weapons. I mean, one side weapon and 2 like main weapons and grenades. It's limited here. Yeah, so do I want to switch? That's right.
Someone designated the old town a Hammer of Dawn free fire zone without telling any of us Gears about it. And with our radios down, we had no way of letting Control know we were there. We needed to hurry.
Okay, I think we're going this way. Yeah, I'm actually quite impressed with graphics. Not resolution, of course, because it's a bit blurry and generally speaking, I mean, 720p is still 720p, right? Is he dead? No, he's not dead. Why is he not dead? Out of I don't want to say anything, but I'm running out of we are running out of time. Oh shit. You die. Yeah, so don't. Keep forgetting about this reload system. Yeah, better hurry up.
They brought out the heavy gear.
Ooh. We need to flank them. Move away.
Looks like he went all too busy. We got some more. Fast thrower, we're all dead. Shit.
We are running out of time, guys. Well, looks like we did it, guys. We did it. It's kind of weird because time stopped for a minute. So I'm not sure if that was planned.
I knew we would
or
save
what.
time by going through some buildings.
I think that was one of those challenges that you have to do on time. If you don't get.
The old town civilians were the least of the COG's worries.
Yeah, look at the graphics. It actually looks good. Well, okay, so you know what? Actually, cutscenes seems to be of a higher quality, but in the game now you can see actually shimmering. I mean, it's a 720p game, so what do you expect? I guess, right?
High-class stuff.
So listen, guys, that's Gears Judgment. It's actually a pretty fun game, to be honest with you. You know, as long as you get used to the different guns changing mechanics, and yeah. So guys, that's the video. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Thanks for support. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.